Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen is today's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for your comments. If you'd also like to receive a shoutout, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment down below #ChillificationSquad once you have done that. In today's video, it will be my first time making jelly cube slime. On the screen is a clip of how it looks like. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first step in making jelly cube slime is to make the base, which is a clear slime. So I just added in some clear glue and then added some activator. The activator recipe I used was half a teaspoon of borax dissolved in a cup of hot water, which is a clear slime base activator. So here's the clear slime. I did leave it a little bit sticky so that it could hold in the jelly cubes. Now I'm just gonna add some red food coloring to give the slime a nice pink color. And then I'm just gonna mix that into the slime. So here is how the slime looks like after I mixed all of the coloring in, but it will become darker once all of the air bubbles clear up. So here I just have the sponge. This is a magic eraser sponge, and I'm gonna be cutting it up into cubes. This is very satisfying, and yeah, I'm just gonna let you listen. I wasn't really sure what size I should cut the cubes, so I tried cutting them in different sizes, and we'll see which one turns out the best. Now that I've gotten all of my cubes cut up, I'm gonna put them into the slime. By the way, you guys, wasn't that cutting board so cute? I got it from my sister's cooking set thingy. Oh yeah, and of course, I'm gonna mix the cubes into the slime. Once the jelly cubes were in the slime became more rippable. So now I just place the slime into an airtight container, and I'm gonna let it sit for it to clear up.
3 days later.
I let the slime clear up for 3 days, and now here it is. It is really pretty, and I'm surprised that it's fully clear because I expected the jelly cubes to ruin the clarity of the slime. Some of the jelly cubes in the slime were stuck together, so that made the slime rippable. The jelly cubes made the slime not stretchy, so I had to stretch it very slowly. And I think that I put too many jelly cubes in the slime, and some of them were a little bit too big. Now for the whole point of the jelly cube slime is to squish the cubes. So that's what I'm going to do now. The noise it made was very unsatisfying. It sounded just like a mouse or something. I don't know, but I was not expecting that. The sound that the jelly cubes made once they were squished wasn't the best, but it was still fun to squish the cubes. I wasn't happy with the slime because after I squished all the cubes, the slime became like a sponge, and it would barely stretch, and all the cubes were squished, so I couldn't squish them anymore. In my opinion, this slime is a one-time thing, because once you squish all of the cubes, there is like nothing left to do with the slime. It's not pokeable nor stretchy. This type of slime isn't my cup of tea, because I like slimes that are stretchy, have bubble pops, and are pokeable. However, you may like this slime. So that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free, and it would help me out a ton. Also, if you have any video suggestions, make sure to comment them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!